guess what? Ryan Toys sent me this toy for free. Can you believe that?
Are you ready to see what's inside?
Yeah!
Are you sure?
Yeah!
All right, let's open it. Untape it. Ooh, let's check out what's inside. Let me help you out there. Whoa! Wow!
I don't even know which one I want to play with. Yes, 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 yes.
Hey, Siah.
Yeah?
Tell me, what do you think about all of these toys?
I like them.
Which one do you like so far?
This one.
You like the yellow and black one?
Yeah.
Why do you like it?
It's just a racing.
It's a race car?
Yeah.
I see he has a police car over here.
And a police car.
And he has an airplane.
And
he has more cars, or more airplanes over here? Oh,
a pirate.
A pirate? Oh, that's a mystery.
Bigger in there.
Yeah.
Guys, this is what's exciting most to me. These mystery squishy figures. So when Super Siah opens these, I'm gonna play with them because I want to know what's in it. And
You can open it if you want.
alright, let's start opening all the toys.
Let's open this one.
Let me help you. Come.
I'm ripping this up.
He's excited. He's excited. Ooh.
Oh no, the police are on me. I'm flying.
Now, is that a car that comes with it? Ooh, so that's super cool. Each of the action cars or the little cars have little Ryan toys that comes with it. And they're all dressed in the theme of the character. That's so cool. So that one is a rocket and it has like a rocket dude over there.
This one, I think, is like a rocket taxi.
No, that look like Bumblebee. Oh, he said it's a race car. He knows better than us. Let me see you play with it on this table.
The tires.
Can I see?
There you go.
You say, welcome to Ryan Toys Review. You know, guys, this is really cool because Super Siah loves watching Ryan. So the fact that Ryan sent these toys to him for free is real exciting and it's so cool.
Thank you.
Can I see the action figure in the car now? Let me check it out. Put him in the car. Oh. Drive it on the table. What?
Guys.
Hold on.
It's a pullback.
Ooh, so it's a pullback rocket. We can race with those, Siah.
With these guys.
Wait, come here. Let's race them right here. This way. I want to see.
I think I was doing it the wrong way. Oh, I know.
Let's see.
You want to race?
Yeah. Bring them over here.
Sure? Let's try to race them. Who do you think is going to win?
I think Daddy's going to win because Daddy's closer.
I'm going to let 1,
2, 3. Oh, the rocket was faster.
Cheated, mister.
That one's just slower. All right, let's open up all of them.
Open now. Thanks, Ryan, for the stickers. I love them. Now let's open these mysteries.
Let's open the mysteries. Let's see what's in there. Yeah, I think you should open it like a chip. Like a chip bag.
Can you open it for me, Super Kids? Alright. You can open it for me.
Whoa.
Ha!
Wow.
Nice color.
That's a nice color right there, mister.
Yeah.
Huh? What color is that? It's like a red. Metallic red.
Metallic red.
Let's open another one.
Yeah.
Okay, so we gonna open both? You like those?
Karate.
Karate. Cha-cha-cha. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew. Oh.
Combo burger.
Let's open those. I want to see what's in that box.
This?
Yeah, open that box right here.
Whoa.
Stuff in there?
Yes.
Whoa.
Mysteries.
More mysteries?
Yes.
Whoa, check this out. Oh no, I think you're supposed to grab one by one, mister. Let's grab it.
Mystery bag.
Ooh. Let me help you open. First, let's check them out. It says mystery figures with accessories. So, oh look, it has an easy tear right here. So that's what
Easy to open.
Ooh, Siah, I think you got all the collectibles.
I think you got all of them, mister.
No way.
Yes, sir, you do. All
You got the whole collection.
Let's see what's in the other box.
Open the other box.
No
Whoa.
way. I'm dumping all of these out.
What are those? I want to see what's in them. Can I open one for you?
Yeah. I'm taking all of these out.
Siah, I think you hit the jackpot with Ryan Toy Collectibles. I'm gonna check this one out.
Whoa. Whoa. Check all of this out, guys.
Oh,
Ryan Toy sent everything to Super Siah. Look at this. Super Siah, look.
You got all the collectibles.
You got all of them.
Look, I'm gonna help you open this one. Ooh, Ryan Toy has squishies.
Oh, it's a squishy.
Oh, look. Look his eyes. That's so cool.
That's so cool. Ryan Toy. Oh, you can stretch them out too.
Yes. That's same thing.
They're twins.
That's been forever.
I opened those squishies.
Combo! Combo bongo!
Hey, these feel so good.
Can I try?
Sure.
You dropped him.
Look at his big old eyes.
Ew.
Look at his big old eyes. Look at his big old head.
Look at his big head.
Look at his legs. He's combo bongo.
This actually feels pretty good in my hands.
Guys, we have so many
So
Ryan Toy
much.
stuff. This is awesome.
This is a lot of toys.
Whoa, how does that open?
I can't believe Ryan Toy sent all of these toys to you, Super Siah.
He even sent some nice shirts. That's so nice.
Oh yeah, he did send some shirts. Go show him a shirt, Siah. Yeah. Yeah, I like them shirts.
Oh, look, they even stick together. Oops.
And you forgot to look at the stickers.
Ooh, what kind of stickers are those?
Combo. And
Super Ryan.
Super Ryan.
and this is Mo.
And what about the one on your forehead?
Ryan.
Right.
Two combos. Next the leg.
Yeah.
Oh,
Boom.
look at his stomach.
So big.
Bye, Super Kids. See you next time. Bye, Ryan. See you next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe.